Sorry if I know how to. If I have a beautiful voice, I will sing that song for you. It's the Anchors Away, the Navy national anthem. I can say we used to sing that all the time when we go through the tunnel in boot camp. It was fun. We were screaming our head off. It was just really hilarious. We had a blast. I mean, it's like probably the worst time of our lives at the time because we were all lost, but we had a blast singing that song. That was like the highlight of our days. We had a long day of marching and drilling, and we're coming back tired and hungry. And Anchors Away was like our kind of like our relief from the all day stress. Anyways, hi, my name is Lillian Quispe. Today I will be talking about what I value the most about my professor or my major. I took the ASVAB test. The ASVAB test is like a military exam, entrance exam. Basically, you take it and you get contacted by, you know, the Navy, Army, or the military branches, whoever wants to take you, if you score high enough or whatever their threshold is of, qualifying score. Anyways, so during the last year of high school, I was pretty much lost. I didn't really know where I want to go or the direction I wanted to go. I mean, rather, I think I did, but didn't really have the money to go to college. My mom didn't have money to send me to college, so I was pretty much lost. So I remember I was like I believe it was like my last class for the day. And I heard they announced that, oh, whoever want to take the ASVAB exam, the military recruiters are here to offer the exam. To be honest, I actually just took the exam just to get out of class. Well, however, I took the exam and I passed it. And shortly after that, the recruiter started contacting me. The first one was actually the Air Force. And at that time, the Air Force recruiter told me that, oh, we don't really move people around. You can get stuck in places like Alaska for the rest of your enlistment. And I was like, oh no, my 18-year brain was like, oh no, 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 no. I don't want to go get stuck in Alaska for 4 years. So the Navy recruiter contacted me and he said, look, come to the Navy, we travel around the world, we go all over the place, we do everything, humanitarian mission, all that, all that good stuff. And I was like, yes, hire me, please, take me. So I started processing and training with the recruiters just to prepare me to go to boot camp. And on February 26th of 2002, I said goodbye to my family, or I see you later, family members. I was scared, along with many people on the bus to Great Lakes, Illinois. It was cold, it was freezing, so that even make it worse. So we got there, we were all wondering what the heck have we got ourselves into. But it was a fun ride, really. It was a fun ride. What I value the most about the Navy is our core value: honor, courage, and commitment. Honor, standing tall, and the impression we leave on each other. When we come in contact with people, whether we're traveling around the world, we're always representing the United States, so we have to always, apply that honor everywhere we go. And courage, not just in battle, but the courage to do the right thing, even when no one is watching. We're always expected to be on our best behavior, even when the eyes of the superiors are not on us. And commitment to our shipmate, to our family, to ourselves, and taking care of ourselves and our family, and just teamwork and camaraderie. That's what I value the most about my major and my professor. Thank you for watching. Bye.